Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo new turtle base. You ever try to open a C-stand and out of sheer frustration you find yourself screaming expletives and ripping out your hair instead? Well, this is not your daddy C-stand. The Kupo turtle base, meaning you could separate the column from the base for easy transport and storage, has been revolutionized. Now you can open the base in 1 second without even touching it. Now watch this. Yes, I know. You thought such a thing was impossible, like unicorns and winning the lottery. But because it was so quick, here it is again in slow-mo. The Kupo turtle base consists of a spring-loaded locking collar. Once released, gravity does the work for you. The legs are attached with a zinc casting, which are 5 times stronger than aluminum. The turtle base features a hollow junior 1 1/8 inch receiver, allowing debris and water to pass through for easy cleaning and maintenance. Let's see how the magic happens. Here's how you open and close the turtle base. Let's first slide the junior pin into the junior receiver of our turtle base. Turn the knob at the top of the casting clockwise to secure in place. Hold the stand with the riser section parallel to the floor, with the legs facing up and to your right. Pull back on the collar, rotate the riser section just a bit towards you, and gravity will take over. As soon as the legs start to separate, release the collar. The spring collar will lock the legs in place once they finish their travel. To close the stand, hold the riser section parallel to the ground with the legs to the right and the largest leg facing upwards. Pull back the spring collar and rotate the stand slightly away from you until gravity takes over. As soon as the legs begin to move, release the collar and the legs will lock in place after they finish their rotation. Choose a 20-inch riser section if you want a shorty stand. Or even a stand adapter, known as a butt plug, if you want to get low. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.